So they entertained with random. With random, you know? Tell us what they are cool for being a winner for their friends. And then, while it's still up, they are welcome back. You walking like back to the stage. You saw him want to find on the stage. He's a keeper. You saw all the way from somewhere Clinton. Only Fruity, ladies and gentlemen. And then you are all the way from Khadija Mushumela. And then, ladies and gentlemen, we are all up close and personal, the one and only Tafaya. And then right after Tafaya, ladies and gentlemen, we are on what we've come to know more was officially the next biggest stage in South African comedy. Only a woman
You tell us in Kwabelari no coping, ladies and gentlemen.
But from what tonight we're really possible tonight. It wasn't for you guys. That's why we appreciate it. We don't have sponsors from the way things are. That's why you can't make it on the stage. Because the whole man literally invested the money out to make sure the way he ends it. Please welcome on stage. Ladies and gentlemen.
Pictures outside.
I think we're unfair way to show. I think I can't post because we're not